So I'm making a video of this 049. It's sort of a Golden Bee. It was a purchased Golden Bee tank, and that's some various parts from product engines. The cylinder and sleeve were off of a I think it was some kind of a four-wheel drive van, and I'm not sure what the crankcase and crank came off of. Possibly a Shrike air car, or maybe a P51 model, or maybe a Bushmaster model. Had all of those when I was a kid, and I'm not sure. I put this engine together almost 30 years ago, and ran it on a Sterling, what'd they call that thing? A Sterling puddle jumper, little amphibious airboat thing, and ran pretty nice. So I'm not going to fill it full. I'm just going to put a little bit of fuel in it here, and I'm going to leave a little in my syringe for a prime, and we'll squirt that in the exhaust ports. Give it a couple of flips to work that in, and hook up some battery to it, and let's see if she'll go. That's a good sign. Let's check my needle valve here. Try it about 2 turns. See what that does. Yeah, it started backwards. Oh, it's going forward. And you can see here I throttled it back to idle, and that's, if you can hear my voice, that's why. This throttle sleeve is pretty effective. Won't quite stop the engine, but it does get a fairly slow idle considering how simple it is. Anyhow, and as you can see, so the throttle is very responsive. No hesitation at all, going from idle to full throttle.